y'all, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are back in the garage today with the charger, and today we're going to be taking a look at the headlight. I noticed that it appears that I have been accumulating some condensation in one of my headlights, and in my opinion it just looks really tacky and I don't like it. So we did some research and we came across a couple of videos on YouTube of people who seem to have had the same issue, and their resolution was to simply untwist or uncap the back of the headlight, which I'm going to show y'all, and just kind of let it air itself out, and that should get rid of the condensation. So we're going to try that today to see if it works. Let's jump right in. I'll start by showing y'all the condensation that I'm talking about. All right, so this is what I'm talking about, you guys. This is my passenger side headlight. You can see there's a lot of water and condensation in there. You can see it's kind of like dripping down, and it just looks really tacky. Like I said, it's only on one side. If we come over here and look at the driver's side, it's perfectly clear. No problems, no issues at all. So based on the video, the solution is simply to untwist this cap, and y'all can't even see it. Let me see if I can shine a light here on it. So right here, this right here, y'all see these tabs. We're going to be unscrewing this cap here, and that should allow the headlight to air out and get its life together. So without further ado, let's take a look at that. So this is what I'm going to be unscrewing. Y'all really can't see it if I'm... Anyway, let me just... Dang, that joint on that tight. Hold on. All right, y'all, so this takes quite a bit of elbow grease to get this off. Actually, there we go. Yeah, this little thing, that joint is hard to get off, so it now leaves that hole there. There's something else in there. I don't know what that is. I ain't fooling with it. But that's what's left. So based on those videos, it should now be able to just air out. Hopefully it works, and we will come back and let you guys know the outcome. All right, y'all, so it is now the next day. We let it sit in the garage overnight with the hood up, and as you can see, all that condensation that was there is now gone, and now it matches the driver's side headlight. So for anybody else who may be struggling with a little condensation in their headlight, it works. So all you have to do is go underneath the hood, unscrew this little doohickey here, and just let it sit. Now I would like to add that in the video that we saw, another option, they said you could just turn on the headlight and that would help it to dry a little bit faster. But it was Thanksgiving Day, I didn't have anywhere to go, and of course we have another vehicle if I needed to go somewhere, so I wasn't going to drain my battery or potentially drain my battery by leaving my headlights on for any extended period of time when I wasn't driving the car. It worked. Y'all let me know if this video is helpful for you. Maybe it'll be helpful in the future if it ain't helpful for you right now. But if y'all liked it, definitely give us a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. We got quite a few videos coming for you guys. I'm actually about to start the next one right now. So we do have some more videos planned up in queue for y'all, so stay on the lookout for those, but you're only gonna get that notification if you click that notification bell. So do that. Thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. As always, thank you for your support, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.